Hello, for fans of this channel, you've been watching this for years. We now have an additional channel where you may be able to see some additional car titles videos along with videos on other subjects that may be of interest. If you go to the link below, our channel is Actual Human. It will give you information on vehicle titles, as I know you all like to see, but also information on other subjects such as investigations, commercial insurance, mediation, conflict resolution. All of those videos will be included on that channel along with the other subjects. We'll still have videos showing up here on a regular basis, even more than we've had before, but you can observe developments in other markets, even automotive markets that have less to do with vehicle titles, but also automotive industry news at our YouTube channel at Actual Human and our website actualhuman.com. Look forward to seeing you there.